So, hello everyone. This is Siva. Today, my project is to predict the productivity score of corporate employees based on various features like their age, their department, their job level, and how many years they worked at the company, and number of meetings they did per week, like job satisfaction, work-life balance, and annual salary. Based on all these features, I am going to predict the productivity score of the employees. So here you can see the sample data set here. First, let me show you the reprocessing that I have done. I have checked it. I have checked there is if there are any null values here. There are no null values. And I have dropped the employee ID column feature, which is not helpful in predicting the productivity score. Here is the correlation heat map. You can see which user is more correlated with the particular feature in the correlation heat map. Our main goal is here productivity score, right? Which is more correlated with monthly hours worked. Like here, we can see it is 0.017. Here to check the productivity score uh, based on the job level. Here there is nothing much differentiation between productivity score based on job level. All have the same productivity score around. Here based on whether they are working in the remote mode or are they coming to office daily or hybrid mode. We are going to check is there any relation between productivity score and the remote work. And here also there is no relation between them. Here we are checking if there is any relation between department and monthly hours work. Like HRs are working a bit lower than the other departments, and productivity score of finance is a bit lower than other departments. And work-life balance versus job satisfaction. You can see here there is no much differentiation between among them. Like even if it is good or excellent or poor or average, the average job satisfaction is almost same. Mainly the job satisfaction is mainly depending upon the meetings per week future here. Here we are going to check the job satisfaction of different departments, the average job satisfaction. Uh, IT holds the highest job satisfaction. HR holds the least. Based on the remote work, we are going to predict their productivity score, job satisfaction, absences per year, overtime hours per week. By the way, all these are all um, the average values, the mean values. Here, I'm going to check the if there is any relation between department and task completed per day. So, their marketing and HR departments are doing quite a less tasks per day than the other departments. And HR works 1 hour lower than the other departments on average. We have already much discussed all of them here. Here is a scatter plot between job description and job satisfaction and annual salary. There is we cannot find any we cannot derive any insights from this. Let's skip it. Here is the correlation between absences per year, tasks completed per day, meetings per week. Here meetings per week and tasks completed per day has high correlation. Here job level and years at company, there is some relation here. So manager has more number of years experience at the company, while entry and mid and senior have low years of experience at the company. The same is visualized here in the box plot. So let me show you some Power BI visualizations as well. So here is the productivity share of each bin. Like I have taken 5 bins, each from containing a range of 10 score, like 50 to 60, 60 to 70, uh, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, or 90 to 100. Like almost each each range has equal amount of population among them. Like each bin has equal population. Here we already discussed them in the collab notebook. The relation between average annual salary and average job satisfaction. Here we are going to find the population in each job level. Like here, the mid-level job has high population. And then entry level job has high population. Manager level has first population. Here, here considering the department, almost every department has equal population. Each one around 16 to 17%. Nothing much here to differentiate. Here, the average productivity score and annual salary to to bring any insights. There isn't much to derive any insights here. All annual salaries also same average productivity score. This is scatter plot between productivity score and annual salary. There isn't much information in this. We have already uh, discussed this in the correlation with map productivity score correlation with the annual salary. So here I am going to train a decision tree classifier here. I have loaded the data set. I have made the bins from 50 to 75 and 75 to 100. First, I am considering only these three main features which are highly correlated with the productivity class. And then I'm going to split it on 70% for training and 30% for testing. Based on training, I have got the accuracy of 49%, which is not useful anyway. And later, I added some more features as well, like overtime hours per week, tasks completed per day, meetings per week, work-life balance, and coded job satisfaction. By the way, work-life balance is we got here with like it is a categorical column. We encoded it into to get a numerical column. So here you can see we have encoded it to get it as a numerical column. And after training it, we have got an accuracy of 60%. And then we have performed Naive classifier on on the same data set with, with all these features. We have got an accuracy of 51%. Okay, thank you.